So here's how to add products on Wix. First up, let's head over to the Wix.com website. And as you can see, we're already here. Now, click on Login or Get Started on the top right corner. And once you're logged in, this will be your dashboard. Now, if you go over to the left panel, you will get to see all of these options. Let's click on Design Site on the top right. After that, you will be taken to your website editor page. Over here on the left panel, click on Add Apps. You are now in the Wix app market. Over here, click on the search bar and search for Wix stores. After that, from the results, click on Wix stores right here. Then, you'll be taken to the app page. Click on Add to Site. And as you can see, the Wix stores is now being added to your website. Give it some time to be integrated into your website template. So once it's done loading up, you will get to see a product section added to your website. Now, click on Save on the top right. And this is the page where you can add different products according to your preference. Make all the necessary changes and edits and replace the default products with your own products. And that is exactly how to add products on Wix.